Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza and we are pre-market today. Markets are looking, it's weird because, I mean, portfolios up, markets in the red, futures are looking a little slow. We are going to wait for this to update. I think it's going to update and we should be good to go in a little bit. So we're just going to cover that. We're going to cover the portfolio. It's a good thing that I did not sell Jumia yesterday. I had a feeling that it was going to go up today. Today may be a good day for us to exit Jumia and move forward with the portfolio. I'm just going to be here until market opens. We're just going to try to get a feel and see what is going on with the market. I got a new mug. Comments have been disabled. Obviously, they haven't been disabled, but I thought it was a cool mug, so I got it. And that is that. So we're going to go over the portfolio, but before we do that, let me just really quickly also in the meantime just check something really quickly. Welcome guys, welcome. We are getting ready to go live. It's just gonna take us a second, not more. And well, seems like we should be good to go. Okay. What is up, guys? Good morning, 2J. How are you? So market is not looking its best as of right now. It's weird because I'm on some trading groups, and apparently there's a lot of money to be made today in the markets. So we're gonna have to see where exactly that money is, because I personally, and what I'm looking at is not looking too good. By the way, I do have some good news, and we are going to open with that good news today. So I'm just going to go over Apple really quick. And literally a couple of minutes ago, so 2 minutes ago on Robinhood, and we are down. I wanted to show you guys that we were actually up to $128 with Apple, which is impressive from yesterday. I did not anticipate that jump that high up that quick. So that's something that was really good that I did not think about. But we are down. So I think markets looking interesting. We are down for the day. However, portfolio is up, which is a little strange. How are you guys doing today? What's your portfolio looking like? I know that some of you have mimicked my portfolio. So you guys should be moving just about the same way I'm moving as well. Good morning, good morning. Hold on, let me just get this here. It's a little early for me. I'm thinking, guys, of doing these lives a little more often, like every day. And if you guys are interested in covering the lives every single day pre-market, just so that we can get maybe 1 or 2 stocks that we can get into, maybe make a couple $100 really quickly, let me know. That would be something that I could definitely do every day in the morning. So let me just quickly get to my channel over here and make sure that everything is working. Also, I just want, if you guys can hear me okay, just say that you can hear me okay, and we should be good to go moving forward. Okay, so I do click this, and like every day, and we should be good to go. All right, good morning everyone. Bloody. Yeah, it's weird because in yesterday's chat, post-market, so after market close, we did you sell anything or add more funds to the account? No, I did sell. I sold Open Door yesterday. I sold, what else did I sell yesterday? I sold a couple of stocks yesterday. In fact, we can go over my history and see what I sold. I'll show you guys what I sold. I did sell. So that was a good catch over there. I do have $28,000 in buying power. So hold on, let me click right here really quickly. So I do have that buying power accessible to me. And the only reason I have that buying power is indeed because I did sell. Hold on, guys, let me just really quickly go over a few things over here. I just need to set a few things up before I can start talking to make sure that everything is in fact lined up. I wish I had like a person on the back end helping me out, but I don't, so I'm gonna have to do it all, which we will. We're gonna be talking about the market in just a second. I just need to really quickly go over this. Nope, not here. Need to go here. and then go over a few things. Okay, so we click this. Okay. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, so we are live. We are ready to move, it looks like. That's good. That's good news. Okay. What else did we need to do really quickly? I think that's about it. I think we're ready to go live. I mean, I know we are live, but you know what I mean. Okay. So this is us. We are ready. We're ready to go live. Market is looking good. Well, it's not really looking good, but it's looking good, which is weird because hold on, just let's take a second here and take a look at what is going on over here. And let's refresh this as well. Reload. How do you determine the strike price when you enter an option? So the way I determine it is, like, for example, AMC, I look at what's most popular in the market right now, like what is the highest trading option as far as strike price, but we do get in and out of these options fairly quickly. So sometimes I'll get into an option and literally like 10 minutes later I'll get out of the same option, just because we've made enough money to where, you know, we've made a couple $100s, it's sufficient, and I think that is good enough for me. So it just really depends, I guess. Okay, what just happened here? Okay, hold on, let me see what's going on here. Close that. All right, we're looking good. Okay, we are ready. Everything is working. Things are looking great. Okay, so we're gonna look for volume. We're gonna look for a few things to open up. We're gonna look at the portfolio as well. By the way, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but we did have a dip at around 4 a.m. This is the crypto dip. This is a very typical crypto dip, and because our portfolio does have Bitcoin and Ethereum in it, it does tend to move a lot during the night or during early morning, right? And this is actually right when, I think this is right when pre-market opens up, and so we have that ride up as well. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Ticker symbols for today are going to be interesting. We have a few ticker symbols that we're going to be looking at. I know we're at Apple right now, and let's actually look at Apple once again really quickly, because I did feel like Apple made a significant move today pre-market. So we're going to watch for Apple. If you guys want to track any ticker symbols, just let me know. You know what? Let me actually open a different. Here you go. So if you guys want to look at ticker symbols, just let me know. We can definitely look at those as well. So Bitcoin looks like it's going up. SQQQ also looks like it's going up. All right, here you go. There you go. Making it a little more better for everybody to see. Okay, so let's look at Apple, and then let's look at CCIV. I know a lot of people are looking into CCIV. By the way, weed stocks are really lagging as well. Guys, remember to hit the like button so that, you know, the YouTube algorithm picks this video up. So let's smash that like button really quickly. So I mean, you know, we are still pre-market, but we are gonna wait till about 9 o'clock to see, or 8 o'clock, 8:30, I mean, my time, to see when things start picking up. So as you can see, CCIV, we are having a little bit of a drop right now. In fact, Apple, this candle is not looking too good. Let's see how big this candle is, and then based off of that, we can probably come to an assumption and see what is going on with the market. So the candle it hasn't closed just yet, but it's not a big candle. Let's zoom in a little bit so that we can get a better picture on what is going on. I mean, things are moving. I can see that CCIV is going down. We also will be taking a look at let's take a look at PLTR really quickly, since I got that in the questions. I can't tell you where it's going today, but oh my god. Okay, so I want you guys to notice this candle, and that is a huge candle on the sell side. So PLTR probably going down, it seems like. Okay, Apple, the candle is reversing. It is quite a large candle, so we may see a large purchase in Apple. By the way, guys, the left side of the screen is Apple, and the middle is any stock that you guys want to talk about, and this right side over here in the end is Bitcoin. So if you want to change Bitcoin into something else, we can take a look. PLTR looks like it is dropping significantly, so that's something that we will need to I guess address at some point later on. Let's take a look at a few more candlesticks on PLTR. Not looking so good, I'll be honest. It does look like it may break that $25 mark. Okay, Apple seeing some significant volume. The RSIs are looking interesting. The MACDs looking like they might be ready for a reversal. Yes, they are. Okay, so what else are we looking at today? Oh, AMC. AMC is going to be something that we are going to be playing. Oh no. Today. So we are going to be moving in and out of AMC. Let's see if we can get out of it. AMC. There you go. I think we're going to see a lot of volume in AMC, because yesterday, unfortunately, we did move in and out of AMC. I think we made like a couple $100 on AMC. However, the issue that I was having was that there wasn't enough volume, which meant I was getting in and getting out fairly quickly in and out of AMC. Guys, I want to take a moment and recognize all the members that we have in the chat. 2J, thank you for joining. Thank you for your contribution once again. And Thorin, also thank you for your contribution and being a member of the channel. I'm sure you guys are enjoying that member-only content and the alerts that I give out when I buy and sell. So thank you for that once again. Mahmoud, hello. PLTR, where is it going today? Mahmoud, PLTR looks like right now it is going down, so it doesn't seem to be holding 25, but that is of course pre-market, right? So let's get back into PLTR. Any other ticker symbols that you guys want me to look at really quickly? I can do. Ooh, damn, PLTR is not looking good today, guys. PLTR is definitely not looking good. Look, it is bouncing off that 25 number. It seems like there is a lot of demand at $25, but it's just not enough to hold it at 25. So we are seeing huge dips in PLTR. It might be a good day to actually consider buying some PLTR for your portfolio. I will let you guys know if I do that. Oh, Rocket did fairly well yesterday. I think that's a great ticker symbol to look at. Let's take a look at Rocket and see where it's at. Hold on, let me just get this to look. So yeah, so yesterday I think Rocket is starting to give up all its gains from yesterday, which is unfortunate, because hold on, let me just see where the resistance is here. Hold on, guys, let me just, wow, Rocket has never been this low, so we have a new trend line, so I'm going to have to, wow, look at that sell off, guys. Look at that sell candle on Rocket. I think it's, oh no, okay, so it is reversing. The sell candle is reversing, guys, so that means Rocket is probably in a, oh, hold on, I need this candle to close in order for me to be to see where Rocket is going. But let's take a look. Let's see where Rocket is going, because we could have a new trend on Rocket. So if I drew the line right there, okay, so Rocket could actually be bullish today. So let's take a look, because the sell volume wasn't that high as of yet. Guys, look at Apple. Look at the demand on Apple, guys. Pamela Walker, welcome. Thank you for being a member. Thank you for your contribution. I really appreciate it. Guys, I want you guys to just take a look at the volume on Apple. Look at this. Even compared to Rocket right now, I am really liking Apple for today. I think Apple is going to be a good play. And I am going to continue to watch it, of course, until market opens. Market is opening in roughly around 16 minutes. Well, exactly 16 minutes, actually. And we are going to be I am going to be with you guys for a couple of minutes after market opens just to see where the sentiment is and where we are going. So I really want to do that, and I think we have enough data here that we should be able to tell by then, hopefully, where the market is going. So okay, I'm gonna also look at, so although I like Rocket, and I think Rocket is going up. Oh, okay, so Rocket is still, I need a couple of more candles, because you see this candle right here, it is at the top, this one's at the bottom, this one's right at the top, which means there is some resistance at this price. So there is some really strong demand at $26 for Rocket. Okay, so we're gonna a little higher than 26, actually 26.50 probably, but I am gonna continue watching AMC, because I think today's play is gonna be AMC for everybody. Let's see where AMC is heading. Price right now is $9.14. If we can maintain that price throughout the open, I may jump into some AMC options later today, because there is a chance of a gamma squeeze coming this week. So let's see. I was going over over AMC's charts, and I do think that AMC does have potential. So that squeeze, it may actually have some potential. GameStop is just too out of the money right now, and the volume was too low. Let's look at GameStop, in fact, since we're at it, just to see if it compares at all to how AMC is performing. So GameStop fairly bearish right now. It looks like there's a lot of sale happening at GameStop, but that's okay. We can definitely continue upward if we have, ooh, that's sell candles, interesting. Okay, so we're gonna look at the volume from right here, from the largest buy candle, and we're gonna continue to see what GameStop is doing today. Now, once again, the market is so far in the red, and it should be interesting. We could have had a false bull run yesterday, like a fake bull run, a bull trap is what they call it, right? So we could have been in a trap yesterday, and yesterday I think was a really good day to sell out of. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Look at this candle, guys. Look at this candle. Look at the volume. Look at the volume on GameStop. Somebody is exiting big. Look at that volume. Wow. That is pretty insane. So we had a huge sell. So I'm assuming this is probably one of the big guys, one person selling a bunch of stuff on GameStop. And look at that gap. Look at that gap between the first candle and the second candle. So it is gapping downwards, which means the MACD is probably going to reverse very strong. Let's look at what the MACD looks like, and we will get an idea as to where we are going. So the third candle did close. Now I think these are all 1 minute candles. I would rather we have a 5 minute candle. Let's see if I can get the 5 minute candle up here and see what we can do. Okay, so we do have, okay, so GameStop, we had a sell, and then it triggered some auto buys, I'm assuming, and we do have some buys on GameStop at that price. There is a little bit of a gap, but we do have a buy. So that's, you know, so GameStop is going to hold, it seems like. Once again, guys,